Should you do a trial close? Hello all, it's Gregory Martier, local realtor, team lead, mentor, coach, talking about trial closes. So should you do a trial close? I'm a big fan of it, of course in a certain way, but it's certainly effective, and it's part of you asking for the business. I think it's very important to ask for the business. So you're at a listing appointment or a buyer's consultation, or you're meeting folks for the first time, and you just simply ask for the business. Will you hire me? Are you comfortable enough with me now to say you'll choose me? Will you let me work with you and for you? Certainly do a trial close. Absolutely all day long. Trial closes are super effective. It shows confidence on your part. I mean, you want the business, right? You're not hiding behind anything. You're not saying you don't want to get paid or you don't want to be hired. I mean, you do want to be hired. So ask them, will you hire me, Mr. Seller? Will you hire me, Mr. and Mrs. Buyer? Can I have the opportunity to be your real estate professional? So anyway, give the trial close a try. Try the trial close. Try it in the grocery store. Try it out in the world. Try it with your spouse. Try it with your kids. Try it with your pet. If you want to try it with me, give me a call, shoot me a text, but absolutely well worth the effort. Trial closes. If you have any questions or need anything, please reach out anytime. You can shoot me an email or shoot me a text. You can call, hit that comment button, hit that like button, hit subscribe. I put out a lot of great videos. I'll be glad to share with you and alert you as new videos come out. Have a great day, everybody. Thanks.